I will demonstrate how to add parts to your shopping cart and how to place a parts order. So let's go to Order Parts, and let's go to Quick Add Parts to your cart. First, you will choose the location you want to shop at. Then you can begin entering parts. You'll notice as I'm entering this part number, it starts suggesting numbers that are like it. So that's a conveyor chain. Let's add a couple bearings and a couple lock collars to go with that. We also have the ability to import a spreadsheet if we have a list made up on our computer. Let's go to our cart, Add to Cart. Keep in mind, on our other video we showed how to look up parts on John Deere online, and that would feed into the same shopping cart. You'll notice the prices are listed, as well as the availability at the location that we chose. Two of the parts they have on hand, and one of the parts is not on hand, so the find availability shows the other Prairieland locations that have that part. We have the option to either continue with our order from this store, or we can go to the top and change to another store and purchase the part from them. We're going to leave that alone, and we're going to talk about the order types. If we leave it as stock order, that part will be ordered on John Deere stock order and arrive 2 to 3 days later with no additional freight charge. If we change it to expedite, that is typically an overnight order with additional freight charges. However, in this case, since other Prairieland stores have that on hand, it will most likely be transferred in on a transfer truck with no freight charges. We can now begin to check out, or we can save our cart for future shopping. Let's go to the checkout process. All of our information pre-populates in here. The only thing we need to select is the payment method. I'll choose John Deere Financial. Keep in mind the payment is only finalized after the parts order has been picked and finished at the store. We can also enter notes. If we choose to drive to that other location and pick up the part, we could enter that in there. Let's go to Next. This gives us our final review of the order. We can make sure that all the items we want to order are on there. Our order type is correct. And when we click Complete Order, it goes to our parts department immediately. We receive an email that notifies us there's a new order to be worked. After our parts employee works the order, pulls the parts, you receive an email back that your order is complete and ready for pickup. This completes the parts order training. Thank you.